We apparently have a sandstorm here on base. Holy cow. There ain't nothing. That's sand. Apparently we got a sandstorm on base. I'm going to try to get a good view of it. It's pretty bad. Yeah, vehicle right there. That's coming through sand right now. This is terrible. Good thing with fog or something. Got a spotlight. If you look right there, that's just all sand blowing and everything. It's pretty bad. Oh, I gotta get to my tent. This is being inside my tent in a sandstorm. Actually died down a little bit. This is actually being in a sandstorm inside our tent right now. Look at it. Normally I have my table right about here, but I moved it back a little bit against the wall because the tent was hitting against the, you know, it hits against the thing, and I was afraid it's gonna push my laptop right off the tent, right off the table. So I moved it so it ain't so bad. It still moves it pretty good.